All right, we took a trade before the CPI announcement came out and we got in. Basically, I got in because, it was breaking out of a range anyway. Here's what it looked like when I came in. It was like over here before the announcement. This is the announcement. It shot up and I took profits as soon as it shot up. And so that was the first trade. I didn't want to wait around to take a chance that it might not go, stay up or whatever. So I entered in right here. The announcement was right here. It went to 1-to-1. My stop loss was down here, and we got the profit and got out of that thing, And so the second trade was very similar. It came down to 50% on the Fibonacci level after that spike up, and it came down. This is where I got out of the first trade. It continued up, and it came down to 50% and the 20 moving average. And so I jumped in. My stop was under the 50% EMA, 50% Fibonacci, and the 20 EMA. As soon as it went green over that red candle, I got long. So I had about a 2-to-1 on that, and that was the second trade. Now the third trade was a 2-tick loss. It came back down to another Fibonacci. It broke the trend line. It didn't close above both moving averages though, but it did break a trend line. It came back to test. I like that setup. I like how I waited, and I got in, and I had a 2-tick stop loss, 2 ticks, and it got me out. And fortunately, I did get out because, as you can see here, this is where I got out. This is real time. It continued to go down. So managing that risk was very good, very tight. I was figuring, you know what, if it breaks that trend line and keeps going, I had to give it a try. The only problem is it didn't close above both moving averages, but it was still worth a try. A 2-tick risk, it was worth a 2-tick risk to gain about 10 ticks on it. So those are the 3 futures trades. I'm probably not going to trade anymore today. I do not want to give this back. I've been having a hard time. Today's a good winner. I want to keep it a winner. So we're done for today. Okay, I'm messing up today. I did not read my rules, and I'm still trading. I said I wasn't going to trade anymore after this little 2-tick loss, but it hit support down here, and I had to take a trade. Break line, trend line break, or it closed over the 8 EMA. Stop was under the close candle, hit 1-to-1, and I had to take it. I really did. You could see the support over here from the breaking out of the range, the top of the support level, right? Coming down to Fibonacci levels. And as soon as it broke the trend line and closed over the 8 EMA, I said, okay, if it closes over the 8 EMA, then let's go ahead and try to get that going in the other direction. Now it's closing above both moving averages and closing below both moving averages. I'm not convinced at all. The close above, we might just get sideways action right here. It's going to have to do something more substantial than just keep going back and forth like this. It looks like it's slowing down anyway, so the major trading might be done at this point. I need to go read my journal. I did not do that this morning.